The next class. Now welcome to today the projection of plane. Today in our class we learn about the square plate. So we have the 50 by 50 square plate resting on HP. On its corner A, the plate inclined to HP such that the top view become rhombus with 30 mm diagonal, and we have to find out the surface inclined to HP plane. So today's statements, first we hold our square plate on HP with corner A. So the top view, it is a true shape of plates as a square on HP plane, and your elevation, it is a line on XY. So first we mark the corner A. At corner A, now at corner A, we do the inclination line 45° both sides. For construction of our square plate resting on HP. So first we draw the light line. Now I take the radius as per the given side. Center A, I do the arc on both sides. Similarly, I choose this point as a center. I do the arc on center line, and we join all the point with a straight line. So here you can get your square ABCD resting on HP with corner A. (40 mm side). Now the elevation, the plate on HP, so always the elevation, it is on XY line. So we collect the vertical projection. We show the moment arrow mark our elevation point on XY. It is our corner A. Here we have the two corners B dash and D dash, and there is a corner C dash. Now I join A dash, C dash. So it is the elevation on XY line. Now the second stage of the problem, it is say your plate, it is inclined to HP. The top view of the square plate become rhombus with AC diagonal 30 mm. So for that, I extend this projection. On this projection, I mark the plan of AC diagonal 30 mm. And I choose the middle point of this 30 mm. From this middle points, I draw the vertical line. Again we take the projection from previous plan. Because my BD diagonal, it is perpendicular to VP. So there is no change in its length. BD diagonal, it is maintained the true length. So this is my corner B, this corner D. Because the line perpendicular to VP, the top view always true length. Now we join all the corners. A to B, B to C, then C to D, and D to A. So my top view, as per problem statements, it is become the rhombus with diagonal 30 mm. Now we collect the vertical projection from all the corners. So first we transfer the A points, my A point on HP, and corner C in second stage it is above. So this is as per principle of line. This is our top view length, and we have the true length in first stage elevation. So first we select the radius A dash to C dash, center A dash point, and we draw the arc on projection line. So this is your C dash point. Join your A dash C dash. Then mark your B dash D dash on same inclination line. So here when your plate inclined to HP, always the elevation of the plate inclined to XY line, and we get our answer. If we measure this angle theta, It is called as a surface inclined to HP 48 degree when the top view of the square become rhombus. So I am writing the answer. This is my 48 degree theta. Now the third stage of the problem, it is saying the diagonal BD, which is perpendicular to VP, it's inclined to VP 40 degree. So for that, I choose the reference point. From this reference, we draw the 40 degree inclination line. On this inclination line, we arrange our BD diagonal. So first I measure the length of BD diagonal. It is a 43 mm. So I mark the BD diagonal. So this is my D point. It is our B point. Now we create the direct line. From this middle point, either you can apply your arc method. So I take the radius B2A, B point center, I draw the arc on both sides. Similarly, you can take the radius D2A, your D point center, you can draw the arc on both sides. So this is your corner A and this is your corner C. Now join all the points. A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. I join the plan diagonal AC. So if we extend this plan diagonal with VP plane, so my BD diagonal, it is inclined to VP 40 degree. So this is my plan diagonal inclined to VP 50 degree, because both diagonal are acting at 90 degree to each other. Now we arrange our third stage plan as per problem statements, and the answer, what is my elevation. So for our elevation, we take the projection from all the corners. You can collect the horizontal projection from your previous figure. So this is your A dash, this is your B dash, this is our C dash, this is our D dash. Now I join all the points with a straight line, A dash, B dash, then B dash, C dash, C dash, D dash, D dash A dash. So we have the answer. The bounded figures, that is a surface, can be seen from elevation when your square plate inclined to both the reference plane.